In this lesson, we want to explain the graphic callout tool. As you can see, it is used to draw graphic shapes. From this section, select a style that you want and click and drag to draw a shape. These shapes have a place inside them to write the text. For example, we write TC, and if it is small, you can change the font size here, some bigger. Okay. And you can, by taking this point, you can change its location. If you want to create more strings, click and drag on this color dot, and you can create more. If you select shapes in the style section that also have an arrow, the setting will be more. Like this, as you can see. In a fill section, we can adjust the color inside, the outline for border color. And if you click on the shape section, you can select the different shapes, as you can see. Like before, shadow, for control the shadow, you can adjust it as explained in the previous lessons. Going to setting, it changes settings. That we do not repeat it again. Because the fonts are also included in this box, the font settings appear here. The font settings are explained in detail in the text previous lesson. But you can change the font color, the font size, but the outline size is for change the size of the thickness of the border. And again, if the shape you selected also has an arrow, the setting for arrow will be also appear, which is fully explained in the related previous lesson. You can change the arrow style here, arrow color, and arrow size. At the advanced part is for if you write a paragraph in your box, this setting will appear for that. You can change the style, big, italic, or underline. The advanced section is also related to the paragraph that explained in detail in the text previous lesson. And just the shaded option is just, if you click that, you can simulate 3D mode into shapes that need the outline. You have to turn the outline on, then click on shaded, simulate some 3D modes in our shape. Okay, that's callout tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.